Good morning students. Now I will teach you how to make hexagonal frustum model. See, it has two base like a conical frustum, and this here the lower one is bigger one, hexagon, and each side is 4 centimeter. So each side is the 4 centimeter, and upper one is the lower hexagon, that is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. So we are making it. See, we will take the formula. As it is a 4 centimeter side, we will take the double one. We are not considering the slant side. Slant side we are not taking. Slant height we are not taking, considering, or this height also not considering. Just to make different types of models, we are using this one. This method. Okay. So as the 4 centimeter, so I'll take 8 centimeter radius semicircle, or you can say 16 centimeter dia. So here I'm taking here a straight line, 16 centimeter. So 8 centimeter I taken. Now I draw the semicircle. For border I draw another one having 1 more centimeter more width, that is 1 centimeter width. This is a border. Now inner is a 2 centimeter. So here I will take 4 centimeter. Now here so is over. Now for inner border I draw another circle, semicircle. Now the side is 4 centimeter. So taking 4 centimeter side, from this side I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, so now give the name O A, this one A dash. So from here to here 8 centimeter I have taken, double the side, and from here to here 4 centimeter. Okay. Now this intersection point A, so this one B, C, D, E, F and A. Now I will join the lines. Now here I will give A dash, that is B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Now I will join this one, AB. I will use another color. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EF. Now inner also. So here I'll join this one. On the final one border here, this one. Now for this, so again inner side, over. So now I'll remove the extra portion. Here again. This one. This portion. Now here I'll cut it. Now I'll remove the inner side. So I remove this one. I got this figure. Now I'll fold the border. So here height you are not considering. Now this one border. So our hexagonal frustum is ready. We can connect a hexagonal cylinder here of a lower radius, and we can fix a hexagonal cylinder this side. So this way we can make hexagonal bottle model. Now see, this is the shape. Thank you.